Hey guys, today I'm gonna open the Airpods 3 third generation. It's a total redesign of the original Airpods. So let's see what's inside. Now let's open the Airpods box. So here we have the Airpods. And we have the charging cable, the USB-C to Lightning cable. Documentation. See what's inside the documentation. Here we have instructions on how to connect our Airpods. This is the documentation. And now let's open the Airpods itself. This is the Airpods itself. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking places sound all around you to create a three-dimensional listening experience for music, TV programs, movies, and more. Immersing you in sounds from every direction so it feels like you're in your very own concert hall or theater. Bass hits an all-time high. An Apple-designed dynamic driver powered by a custom amplifier renders music in exceptionally detailed sound quality, so you reveal in every tone from deep, rich bass to crisp and clean highs. Music on a more personal note. Adaptive EQ automatically tunes music in your ear. Inward-facing microphones detect what you're hearing, then adjust low and mid-range frequencies to deliver the rich details in every song, customized for you in real time. Both Airpods and the MagSafe charging case have a rating of IPX4 and are sweat and water resistant, so they'll withstand anything from rain to heavy workouts. Mute the breeze. Covered in a special acoustic mesh, an insert microphone in each earbud minimizes noise when you're on a call, so your voice is always heard loud and clear. Pitch perfect control. The force sensor gives you even more control over your entertainment. You can press to play, pause, or skip through songs or to answer or end calls. Now let's compare it to the Airpods Pro. It's quite smaller in size. Now let's connect it. An instant connection. Place AirPods near your iPhone or iPad and tap connect to pair with every device in your iCloud account. If you're playing music on your Mac, you'll be able to answer a call on your phone without having to switch devices. Now let's turn on our AirPods 3. Let's connect it. Now in the Find My app, we should be able to see our AirPods. Enhanced Find My. Track down your AirPods with the Find My app. See how close they are with proximity view. Get separation alerts if they're out on Bluetooth range. Or have them play a sound so you can locate them. Audio sharing. Easily share a song or show between any two sets of AirPods. Simply bring AirPods near the iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV you're listening to and connect instantly. Now let's compare it to the Airpods Pro. So let's take out one of our AirPods Pro and one of our AirPods 3rd generation. You could see that it is much smaller in size. And by removing our ear tip, we can see the difference between them. AirPods 3 versus AirPods Pro. Weight. AirPods 3 is 4.25 grams, whereas AirPods Pro is 5.39 grams. Audio features. AirPods 3 has spatial audio, adaptive EQ, whereas AirPods Pro has spatial audio, adaptive EQ, active noise cancellation, and transparency mode. Wireless charging or MagSafe. AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro have wireless charging or MagSafe. Durability. Both AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro are sweat and water resistant. AirPods 3 does not have a customizable fit, whereas the AirPods Pro has. Chip. Both AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro use the Apple H1 chip. Battery life. AirPods 3 has 6 hours of listening time, whereas AirPods Pro has 4.5 hours of listening time with ANC enabled. Battery life with case. AirPods 3 has 30 hours of listening time, whereas AirPods Pro has 24 hours of listening time. Microphones. AirPods 3 has dual beam-forming headphones and inward-facing microphones, whereas the AirPods Pro has dual beam-forming microphones and inward-facing microphones. Sensors. The AirPods 3 has a skin-detecting sensor, motion-detecting accelerometer, speech-detecting accelerometer, and a force sensor. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro has a dual optical sensor, motion-detecting accelerometer, speech-detecting accelerometer, and force sensor.